बाद पीछे के भी
हो जाते हैं, सही बता रहा हूँ।
हम लोग देखा
हाँ।
किसी ने 1 लाख तो हमारा वो तो नहीं है कोई
70,000 वो मैंने कल वीडियो
1 लाख कर लिया होगा।
रिग्ड तो नहीं है कि तुम्हें ये वाले ज्यादा इजीली याद
मैंने
रखे तो
सर्च किया तो सबसे पहले दिखा ये।
चलिए भाई, जो हाँ ठीक है, ओके आई विल स्टार्ट. Hello everyone. You know, of late my mathematical interest is in memorizing the values of pi. So if you are keeping track of my activities, you must have seen that of late, after a very long sabbatical, I posted 2 videos. One was me reciting values of pi up till first 100 decimal places, and then I got little more confident and optimistic, and then I recited it till first 200 places. Now, as a human being, as a researcher, as a mathematician, I always believe in the power of human intellect in human mind. So I wondered that what I am doing, is it because of the fact that I am so much into mathematics, that's why I am able to hold the numbers, or is it possible for anybody and everybody to be able to achieve this feat? So what I did, as you can see, this is our TT Play Arena. So during the lockdown period, we have been using this place extensively. So we have a TT group. So what I did, I posted a challenge on the WhatsApp TT group of our locality, and I said that whoever could memorize the value of pi to 200 decimal places and recite it in the same flow, I would award that person rupees 2,500 Indian currency, you know, not dollars, not pounds. So that was what I promised, and I was surprised that 2 people immediately latched on to it, and there was a deadline as well, you know, maximum 2 days were given with the condition that whoever gets to it first would become the winner of the prize money. So there was a sword of Damocles involved. Now one guy, Shan, if you could come over here. Yes, he's coming. He's a very tall guy. I hope, you know, he is fitting into the frame. Nice. So let me give you an introduction about him, like as much as I know. First of all, he is a very budding TT player, very sharp reflexes, very committed, very focused, and he lives to beat me at the game, you know, though I don't let him. I hope I'm not exaggerating, but it's a tough battle, you know, he wants to win it, and I would not let him have it easy. So anyhow, so he took up the challenge, and overnight, you know, within 2 or 3 hours, he declared that he got it. You see, it's amazing that within 2 or 3 hours, how could somebody memorize? But then I forgot something, that he's a 98 percenter. Am I right? Am I saying the right figure? 98 approximately. What's the exact figure?
97.
97 point how much? Rounded up or rounded down?
96.4.
90. Okay, so it's 96 then. Okay, doesn't matter. So you know, students, especially in India, have a very strong rote memory. You know, unfortunately, our education system is such that whether you like it or you don't, by the end of your schooling, you become a memory expert, good at memorizing anything and everything. Well, I'm sure, did you use any special technique to memorize those 200 values?
No, actually I decided that I'm not going to watch any tutorial or use any unique or special technique, but I thought I'll come up with the technique of my own in the process of learning, memorizing the rule according to my convenience.
Okay, that's very, very interesting. You know, because I did extensive search on YouTube to find the way, and like I have mentioned in the previous videos, there are different techniques like phonetic system called the major system, and then you have the memory palace by the Greek performer Simonides, in which you associate each and every number with a unique visual, and then you create a story and go along the way. You are saying that you employed none of these and managed to memorize 200 decimal places of pi in 2 or 3 hours.
Yes, at the time.
Phenomenal. Well, the proof of porridge lies in eating. So let him recite the values of pi. Behind our camera is Adil. He's an engineer working in the field of medicine or marketing, whatever it is. He'll introduce himself better. Right now he's behind the camera. But why I'm telling you, because he's holding the pi values to compare what Shan would be reciting. Though I have memorized it myself, so hopefully I should be able to pick on it. If he makes a mistake. Okay, so please go ahead, Shan. I'll stand beside you and I'm tuned in. Are you ready?
Okay, shall I close my eyes?
Close your eyes. Yeah, you can if you want to. Yeah. Yeah, instead of putting fingers, put your palms. Because fingers, somebody can say you can see through them. Put the palms like this. Yeah, that's the way to go. There you are. Come on, start.
644-288-109-756. Thank you.
Very good. Shan, you recite it in a different rhythm, in a different pattern. So I lost you somewhere, but one mistake you made, which our judge could not do, he did pick it up. I'll just tell you offhand. 95, you said 05. It is 9550. Was that the mistake?
There was one mistake.
Was that the mistake or there was another one?
I think there was some other mistake. He missed 1-8.
Anyhow, commendable effort.
Yes.
You know, we would not dilute it, belittle it. See,
It was
before I
amazing.
do anything, let me hand over the prize money envelope. You know, he truly deserves it. You know. Okay, so he truly deserves it. Just to show you that it's not an empty one, there are 500 rupee currency notes in there. And my dear friend, really commendable effort. There you go.
Thank you.
We are not done yet. We are not done yet.
I know.
See,
I also want to share a lot of my experience.
that's it. That's it. You know, you have done something, and it's a landmark of sort. Using the raw organic memory, you managed to memorize in few hours the values of pi. Let's say even if you took longer than few hours, how does it matter? It's still commendable. How did you do it? Now I would not speak anything. You please explain in as much detail as you can, because the person who is watching it would surely like to get, your wisdom. Okay, tell us.
Okay, so
Hmm.
my method is
Hmm.
something that is either hit or miss.
Okay.
Okay, so when I started, in the beginning it was easy to memorize, of course. In the middle it got harder, and at the end it got easier again.
Mhm.
But I'll say that it is something that does not satisfy you very easily once you have completed it. It is very addictive also, and you will enjoy it. It is a very memorable experience for me. Now, when I started it, I first of all read the first 10 to 20 numbers for a couple of times in one go.
Mhm.
Then first I thought about learning them rhythmically,
Mhm.
like in a music, like 3.1419 92653589,
Mhm.
like this. After that, I decided to divide them into groups and rows of 12.
Mhm.
And the rows, I divided the rows into doubles, doublets, triplets and quadruplets according to my convenience.
Mhm.
Then after that, the first four numbers of every row,
Mhm.
I enclosed them in a box
Mhm.
for so that it would be easier for spatial visualization.
Mhm.
And then after that, I learned them, and then the numbers, I tried to relate the numbers of every row from the numbers of its previous row, the next row and the same row also.
Mhm.
And after that it took, the rest was practice.
Alright, so basically he's saying that he compartmentalized the numbers.
Yes.
Like instead of trying to memorize all 200 at a go, you compartmentalize them into chunks.
Yes.
You know, and then bit by bit, you kept registering those numbers in your brain till you, come on, it's phenomenal. You know, it's easier said than done. 200 digits to be remembered in a sequence. 200 digits mean in India you have a 10-digit mobile number, so 20 mobile numbers memorized. Am I exaggerating if I say that in present time people, they don't even remember the numbers of their near and dear ones, you see? So 20 mobile phone numbers memorized in one sitting, that's commendable. So truly you deserve it. I have set out the next challenge as well. You know, I am on challenge giving spree. I have said that can anybody in our group multiply a 4-digit number with another random 4-digit number in under 2 minutes without writing down anything. And you have to blurt the answer at a go, you know, not in pieces that okay, last digit is this and then second last. No, you have to blurt the answer at a go. But it is at the water level. Now the mental mathematics that I teach, I have devised it into 3 parts: land, water and air. Land level is when you can see the question and also write down the steps. The whole idea is to get the answer accurately, you know, in as less time as possible. Now at water level, you can see the question would be in front of you, but you can't write down anything. So my challenge is at the water level, it's not at the air level. Adil, could you please come forward? Come on, please come forward. See, he is the guy who has accepted it just for good fun. Well, once again, they say money is the world-class motivator. They say vitamin M, that empowers your brain, you know, like anything. Anyhow, he's a well-off guy, but he took the challenge for the sake of fun. 2,000 rupees have been kept, you know, which would be awarded to the person who completes it. So far only he has accepted the challenge and he's working. He's doing his research on YouTube and whatnot. By the way, I only throw challenges that I have accomplished myself. So it's not like that I'm asking you to accomplish impossible feats, you know. The things that I'm capable of doing myself, I just want to see if other people can do it organically. And then of course I would like to teach other people and see if they can benefit from my approach. Okay, so hopefully the next video would be you completing the challenge and getting your envelope.
Yes.
Okay, before we end this video, let me recite those 200 values of pi myself, you know. So I'll take off my glasses and he's taking up, you know, the sheet. Anyhow, if I make a mistake, you will come to know because I'll put a reference chart to compare it with. Just say, am I in the frame? Yeah, am I in the frame? Oh, camera person, am I in the frame?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, because I'm about to close my eyes. Is the video still getting recorded? Because I'm not going to do it again.
It is. एक second pause
Okay.
करूँ?
Pause मत करिए.
अच्छा आप एक
हाँ.
second मेरे को on करने दिए वो Google
Okay, doesn't matter.
right ही होगा वैसे तो.
Okay, I'll just recite it. If I make a mistake, you
They
know,
will know anyway.
You'll know anyway. Okay, I'll try to go in a flow. Please say start and then listen to me.
Start.
06 2862 0899 28 no then I'll just repeat that portion 0899 8628 25 34 21 17 0679 8214 8651328230 and then 6647 0938 4460 9550 5822 3172 535940 81 2848 11 1745028410 2701 9385 2110 55596 644 2294 8954 93038196. Okay, wow. It takes effort, you see. Okay, I think that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you so much.
इसमें आपके 2-3 mistakes थी.
3 mistakes.
हाँ.